Come test drive the 2019 Lincoln Navigator. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, inside you'll find Bluetooth, heads-up display, cross-traffic alert, trip computer, cargo net, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.